Sharpe ratio in mutual funds. Are you investing wisely? The Sharpe ratio helps measure how much return you are getting per unit of risk. Let's break it down simply. What is Sharpe ratio? The Sharpe ratio is a risk-adjusted performance metric. It shows how much excess return you get for the volatility you take on. Invented by Nobel laureate William F. Sharpe. It helps compare mutual funds on a risk-return basis. Sharpe ratio formula. Sharpe ratio is equal to Rp minus Rf divided by sigma. Rp is equal to return of the portfolio. Rf is equal to risk-free rate, like a government bond. Sigma is equal to standard deviation, volatility of the fund. It tells you how efficiently a fund is generating returns over the risk-free benchmark. How to calculate it? Example. Suppose fund return is equal to 12%, risk-free rate is equal to 5%, standard deviation is equal to 10%. Sharpe ratio is equal to 12 minus 5 divided by 10 is equal to 0.7. This means the fund earns 0.7% excess return for every 1% of volatility. Why Sharpe ratio matters? It helps compare funds with similar returns but different risks. A higher Sharpe ratio is equal to better risk-adjusted returns. Useful for investors who want consistent performance without excessive volatility. How to use it while investing? Always check Sharpe ratios when choosing between mutual funds. Especially useful in categories like large cap, hybrid and multi-asset funds. Avoid funds with low or negative Sharpe ratios. They may be giving you less return for more risk. Things to keep in mind. The Sharpe ratio doesn't show downside risks only, it considers total volatility. Historical data is used, so it doesn't guarantee future returns. Review ratios periodically, performance can change. In conclusion, the Sharpe ratio is a powerful tool in evaluating mutual funds. FAQ highlights. Question 1. Can the Sharpe ratio be negative? Yes, it means the fund underperformed the risk-free rate. Question 2. Is a higher Sharpe ratio always better? Usually, yes, but context and fund type also matter. Question 4. Can it be used for stocks? Yes, but it's more common in mutual fund analysis. Invest with The Vahdvik. Download our app.
Disclaimer. Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Please read all related documents carefully before investing. The Vahdvik Corporate Services Private Limited are not liable or responsible for any of your investors' profit or loss in market-related securities investments.